Welcome back to another video of Fallout World Part 18. I'm still continuing the search for Codsworth. Right, as you may not know, I just got some information of these people here, which I believe, who is it? That villager there. He told me that Codsworth is at Rivet City. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave Megaton. Oh, just a quick reminder, everyone. I'm going to do a double videos of Fallout 4 tomorrow night. Well, I did say I was going to do it tonight, but I prefer to do this video. So, and just to let you all know that double videos of Fallout 4 starts tomorrow night, part 7, when I make my way to the building to kill Kellogg, and then I'm gonna head back to Diamond City, and then part 8 video I'll make my way to the good neighborhood, which well, since that area is not on my world, because in Fallout 4 I'm outside the building where Kellogg is, but when I come back, when I dealt with Kellogg, I had to go back to Diamond City. Then part 8, I will come here to the good neighborhood, which I know, I recognise that balcony right there. It's where you see Hancock making a speech to all his people. What was it called? For the people of, I think it's for the people. Something like for the people. Sorry everyone, I don't know what I'm saying. Oh yes, everyone, that video what I did yesterday on Fallout 4, I'm sorry to say this everyone, but I don't know why I'm laughing, but okay, I was traveling through the wasteland, heading towards Kellogg, where Kellogg is, and then these 3 white dogs came out of nowhere, and something went wrong. I shot the dog, and for some reason the dog went safe flying, went over the bridge, and I couldn't hold my laugh. Because what I said in my video, I said flying dog. So for all of you gonna watch part 6 video on Fallout 4, you might expect to, well, I know some of you are not gonna laugh in that video, but you are gonna see the dog fly in the distance. Well, I'm gonna go near. I have no one dog going. Oh, what was I doing? Oh yeah, really sick. Alright, well, why is it inside the castle? So, oh yeah, well, what was I saying? So, some of you are gonna watch that video, let me know, which, well, for that flying dog, that not meant to happen. But you're gonna watch the Fallout 4 Part 6 video. Don't expect me that some of you might laugh if you see a dog flying mid-air, even I killed it. It just went over the bridge. I don't know why I did that. How far is we reached there? Right, Watch, I'm just going to plonk and then actually, no, it's not that. The dog's over there. Dude, what are you doing there? Go away. I don't know why I'm carrying another rack. God damn you, dog meat. Doesn't matter where I go, you're taking me to the area I'm going. Oh, wrong way. This way. Oh, I don't think so. Oh, that was close. What's going on here? Dog? Oh. Dog. Dog. Where's that dog gone now? Oh. Dog. Okay, dog, stop playing around now. Oh, there you are. Get off! No! No. Dog. Do me a favour. Stay there. I'll be back soon. No, that was too risky. Wait. Is that a super machine there? Oh. No. I'm over this place. I can't believe this. I can't believe that Eric uploaded. Even though I've seen on my previous videos, the devastation. Right, Riven's seat was right there. Huh? Is this pile of rubble? Whoa. I think the monsters took over this place. What's it called? Megaton ruins. Oh, and this is when you pick a choice if you're evil or good in Fallout 3. So if I was evil, I would blow up the Megaton, and this is what it becomes. Obviously the bomb's right there. A big massive crater hole. Right, I ain't got time for ain't got time for this right now. I need to go there. I need to find my friend Codsworth. I can't believe they're still down there. What? Is that a witch? I don't know what that is. I've seen that in 403. Oh god. I don't know that witch. Right. I just arrived at the city. Not the one from 403. Which is, what's it called? An air carrier. There's no way I'm not building a massive air carrier, a massive air carrier ship. The one from 403. That's gonna take me like months. Probably, yeah. I'm not, definitely not doing that. Since everyone's asleep, I believe I need to speak to someone. I believe there's a captain on the ship. If there is a captain on the ship. Alright, I think this is the living quarters. As you can tell, there's people got their own personal bedrooms. I wonder what's there. I believe this is going to become a market. They haven't done nothing yet. If they decide to build a market, right now they've been lazy. Some reason I can't. Ooh. Oh, that was weird. You know what? I might get rid of these scaffoldings and place a ladder going up. Because I don't know why I put scaffoldings here for. Or what I might do is get rid of that top scaffolding on top and replace it for a trapdoor. Right, I need to speak to someone. Is there a captain somewhere? Excuse me, are you the captain of the ship? Why, yes I am. Can I help you? I'm looking for my friend. Oh, Codsworth. Yes, he was here. He was? Hey. Not long ago. He was only here for 2 days. Apparently he went to a place which is very cold and snowy. Cold and snowy? What are you talking about? He's gone to a very, he's gone to a location where it's very cold and it's full of snow. The snow biome? Yes, that's where he's gone. I've been told there's a village there. So, begin your search there. Oh, Codsworth. He's at the snow biome, at the village. So he was here, but now he took off again. Right. That's my 8th music disc. Right. I might have to come back here again. what I might do is, where's that dog? Where's that dog? Oh God. Right, boy, let's go. Whoa. Wait, is that super mutants over there? I got a bad feeling about this. They're gonna blow up the tower. Oh great, and then you will put scaffoldings around the area. They better not blow it up. Man, I hate those big green guys. Speaking of, even I do hate those big green guys. I hate that evil swine Don Juro on the last video. Oh yes, speaking of chapter 2, I'm gonna sing again. Ugh. What a pig. I can't stand him. I can't wait till Louis kills Don Juro at the end of chapter 2. I'll be very happy when he's dead. Hooray! That evil swine will be put down by Lubu. Now, which is my nearest area to that snow village? The area I could think of is Vault 101. Since during the recent events, what happened by those super mutants blowed up the vault entrance and destroyed half the power room. It's lucky they're not coming back this time. Oh. Actually, what I might do, everyone, before I end this video, I'm going to find my own 12 music discs. They're all scattered around in my world. I'll find them eventually. There are 2 newest ones. There's one here at Vault 101, and there's one over there at the mansion. 8 is at Ribbon City. 9, 10. Well, 9, 10, I have no idea. Like I said, I divide all my 12 music in different areas. I sound like I'm copying the Fallout Master Pack, but I'm doing my own way. Don't even ask about the 12, the last music disc. This is the snow area, right? That villagers told me that codsworth has gone to a snowy area. So, right. This is the mountain of Vault 101. It's a shame that signpost is not there. Ah, so that's the snow area. Right, There's something wrong with this dog. I'm sure there's a pathway for my dog to get down. Oh boy. Oh, there's some people in there. I don't know why that Mutin's doing that for. God, you sound like dog meat. Oh, I know dog meat follows me in Fallout 4. But this dog meat is so stubborn to catch up. So annoying. Whoa. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Why is there villagers here in the snow area? Oh god, that doesn't sound good. But there's zombies come from that cave. I'm not worried about the ferals. If they get burned by the sun, they die. Where did these villagers come from? Wait, are they Vault residents from Vault 101? Maybe they evacuated the vault when the bombs dropped. And they came here. Because they're scattered everywhere. Trying to make my way to that snow village. Wait, hold on. Oh! So Codsworth did give me something. He gave me a chainmail leggings. But where's the chest plate? So that's a good question, still no gifts on this video, I'm afraid. God, more dog meats. Dog meat, you're getting popular. There's versions of you everywhere. So far. I like to fly there. Choose a dog. Damn it. I've got time for my dog now. Ah, it's right over there. I can see the light in the distance. Where's that dog? Oh, there you are. This place needs lighting up. Right, I'm gonna put torches. That way it'll help me to go back home. Which I'm not going back home, I'm afraid. Right. There's my destination. Hopefully Codsworth is here. Hopefully. I'm not going to every single area to find him. I hate to admit, Codsworth, he's like an adventurous. He's more like an outdoor person. He doesn't want to stay one place to another. Now, where's the main area? It's the village. Let's go a gate somewhere. Dark, no offense, but I don't like the way you do that. Dark. Ooh. Okay, one more. There's got to be an entrance somewhere. Oh, it's there? Well, I'm just gonna go in. Oh. Ah, no, I haven't. dog's so stubborn to catch up. I thought I was just gonna zoom straight to the village. I don't want to waste time. My dog is taking a long time to catch up. So, this is the snow village. Now, wow, it's nightfall already. Oh, this will be wait, is that a church symbol? Well, hold on. Second home. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Is this his Cosworth's home? Wait, dog, follow me. Whoa. Wow. So this is Cosworth's home. Although that bed just seemed familiar. What colour is that bed? Whoa. Yeah, it's Cosworth. That's Cosworth's bed. He's got nothing on his chest. So this is Cosworth's home. Wow. I'm going to speak to the villagers. Yeah, I could tell. Whoa. Yeah, Cosworth's definitely been here, alright. There's 2 sheep. I know I'm seeing 2 sheep in the pen. Dog, what did you just kill? Wait, is that a chicken? Oh, chicken there. Whoa. Wow, I'm seeing 2 horses. Oh, no. Don't attack when I tell you to. Remember, dog. Monsters are your enemies, not real life creatures. I really need to control my dog. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. Oh, my apologies. I'm looking for a friend of mine. Codsworth. Let me get back to work and I'll tell you. Yes. I do saw your old friend Codsworth. He's heading towards the ruins of the castle. Well, that strange building? Yeah, the one over there. Go take a look. You don't mind, I'm a bit busy right now. Oh, sorry. No, you don't need to apologise. Right, where's that? Right. Dog. Don't you dare. Don't you dare attack the horse. Come on, you. I really control my dog, I do. Good. Good boy. I know you're not attacking. That's the last thing I don't need. Right, I believe that Codsworth is here. At this ruins castle. What? What? Wait, did Codsworth build all this? Right, I know I'm to find out. Yes, he definitely put 2 doors here, alright. And there's more doors down here. Whoa. What is this place? Codsworth? 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 Are you here? Codsworth? Wait, I did speak to that blacksmith villager. He told me that Codsworth's here. But I don't see him. Codsworth? Oh yeah. Oh, I recognise that painting. You see that in Fallout 4? On top of that building where Kellogg is. You see it on the double videos tomorrow night. Fifth music disc. Ah, fifth music disc. Right, this might give me the clues where Codsworth's gone. Say that one. Right. Sir, you cannot believe your own eyes. This snow village is amazing. And I saw some kind of ruined castle, which is not a very good place to build right close to the village, I'm afraid. Who knows? Monsters could lurk in that area. Although I built my own home at the snow village. I asked one of the village to build a church symbol on top of the house, and I named the house called Second Home. So it was Codsworth. Although something happened to my home. The bombs destroyed my home. So I had no choice to evacuate to the ruins of the castle. And I went inside. And I left my fifth music disc behind. Right. I guess I have no choice to leave the snow area. Right. Here's my next location. I'm going to Vault 81. Which I had to travel all the way back home to travel to Vault 81. Vault 81. That's into the south. That's where Codsworth is. Back. Back. No. Back. There. Right, everyone. I'm going to end my video. Join me on my next video. I don't know when I'm going to post another video, but it's like what I said earlier. I'm going to do double videos of Fallout 4. I will continue doing my videos of the Fallout world, which I'll be here inside this rune castle, just outside the snow village. Right then, everyone. Codsworth is heading straight for Vault 81, which I believe he might be a Vault 81 to the south. Right, everyone. See you in the next video.